If you're feeling pinched by housing costs but want to get out of the rental game and want to buy a house but you're just not sure how you'll afford it, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can make homeownership more affordable for you. Hi, my name is Nicole Hamilton. I'm a homeownership and home financing expert. Subscribe to my channel and you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Everyone's heard that mortgage rates are up, but at the same time, home prices really haven't fallen much at all. In fact, in many places, they're still on the rise. But few people consider all the ways that you can make a home purchase more affordable. So in this video, I'm going to go through 5 ways that you can make home ownership more affordable for you today. A lot of people think they have limited choices in terms of how they're going to finance their mortgage. A lot of people don't actually put 20% down. In fact, this year the average amount was 13%, but there are mortgages where you can put as little as 3 or 3.5% down. The other thing you want to know is that you can pay points, and points on a mortgage is the amount you pay up front for a decrease in your mortgage interest rate. And I'm going to put a link below with more resources on how to pay points and how to find out if it's a good financial decision in the links below. I know you have your heart set on something and you may be feeling like you can't afford it. Well, you might want to consider where you're looking or for the size of the space that you're looking to get. Because if you get a house that's a little less expensive, that has room to expand, for example, like if you want to build an addition in the future, or if you look at areas that are more up and coming, or one less bathroom or one less bedroom, that can make house buying more affordable today. And also using the strategy where you're buying a smaller property now with room to expand, let's say, or in an up and coming area, those are techniques that a lot of people find their house appreciates a lot over time. Because of the affordability crunch, a lot of areas like New York and California, as well as many other cities and states, are changing their laws to allow things like rental properties or auxiliary buildings that expands the use of a space in residential areas. And developers are making a lot of money off of these. And this is a strategy that you should be thinking about utilizing and should be on your radar. And you can look for developing a rental property to offset some of the costs and work with an experienced mortgage professional about the funding and the lending capability that you can have on that property. And it could be a great way to offset some of your costs. Now, many people don't consider having a rental property because it's just not part of their vision, but it is a great way to save money and get extra income. And also when the time's right and you can afford it, you can take over the entire property again. And you can do this several ways, but the key is to get a very good legal agreement. So you'd have to have a lawyer draw up what the terms of this agreement would be, but it could take many forms. You could have the person or the party invest in the down payment and share in the returns when the home is sold. You could have a partnership where you and another family or you and another individual split a property and create a financial arrangement that divides a house, let's say. You just want to make sure that it's all sewn up legally so you don't have any problems while you're living in the home or after when you sell. Use my resource, How to Thrive in Today's Home Financing Environment. It provides you with all of my tips and strategies that you can use to really get yourself into a good position. It tells you how to leverage these available strategies and more to get the best deal possible. It also helps you to think outside the box if you get stuck and how to bring your overall homeownership costs down. Think outside the box on financing. There are more options available than you think. Consider how to decrease your home price in order to make buying more affordable. Take advantage of zoning changes and consider creating a rental unit. Consider buying in a joint partnership with a friend or partner. Get my free resource that helps you think outside the box and leverage these available strategies to create the best deal for you. Few people consider all of the ways that you can make a home purchase more affordable, but in doing so, you set yourself up for far greater success.